Hi everyone, today I bring you a very easy potato curry recipe. It's not only easy, you can also make it very quickly. Let's jump on to the ingredients. Cubed and cooked potatoes 2 to 3 cups, onions 3 by 4 cup, chopped ginger 1 teaspoon, 2 medium green chilies slit, curry leaves from 1 sprig, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1 by 4 cup chopped tomatoes, 3 by 4 teaspoon each of mustard seeds and split urad dal. 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder and salt as required. The potatoes were cooked in boiling water about 10 to 15 minutes along with a generous amount of salt. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a wok. Splatter the mustard seeds followed by urad dal. After this, you can add the ginger, green chilies, curry leaves and onions. Saute this very well until there is a change in color in the onions. It would hardly take around 5 minutes, and after that you can add the tomatoes. If you find that oil is very less, then you can add a little water instead and then cook the tomatoes. All this has to be done on medium flame itself. Once the tomatoes turn mushy, you can add the turmeric powder, red chili powder and the salt. Combine it very well along with the potatoes, and if possible mash the potatoes down. You can use a potato masher like this optionally. However, this is a completely optional step. Add enough water to cook the potato curry now with the wok closed with a lid. You can keep cooking until the consistency of the gravy has reached as per your requirement, and then add coriander leaves. Mix it very well and turn off the flame and keep the wok closed for another 5 minutes. My mom gave me this recipe and it is so yummy to eat with chapatis and even with puttu or appam. Do give it a try and let me know how it went by. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share and support. Take care. Bye-bye.